Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Jackie the Jackalope from Super Monsters Pets. So grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, we're going to draw the little nose. So you're going to draw a heart shape. With a light reflection in it. And we can color the nose in. Now from there, we can draw the little mouth. So I'm going to go down and I'm just going to draw a little mouth, and on the bottom we're going to make the mouth kind of open. Now on the sides we're going to start with the eyes. As usual, I'm just going to do the bottom part and I'm going to do two little smiles, and I'm roughly going to make it the same size. We're going to make it nice and round on top, and on this side let's do the same thing, nice and round on top. As usual, pupils. Iris. Light reflections. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. Eyelashes. Back to the eye, and on this side let's do the same thing. Let's color the pupil and the eyelashes in. Now we're going to draw the jawline. So I'm going to start here by the eyelashes and I'm going to make it nice and round all the way around back to the top. And now on the side, Jackie's got this little blue marks on the cheeks, and within those blue marks you can draw a little line as well, like this. Good. Now let's go to the top. Let's draw the eyebrows, and I'm going to draw two little lines on both sides, and then I'm going to complete the eyebrows, and I'm just going to make the top sides like that. Then just past the eyebrows, just make it nice and round for the head, both sides. And now we're going to draw two horns. And I'm going to do it right on top, and I'm going to let it touch the eyebrows. There's one, that's the bottom part of the horn. And there is the other one. And then right between you can draw the head. Now let's go down to the face. Let's complete the face. I'm going to draw two lines down both sides. And then we're just going to draw another line here as well, and some arrows pointing down on Jackie's face. There we go. Now for the horns. This is sort of reindeer horns. It looks like reindeer horns, so I'm just going to draw like a finger. It looks like a finger, and then a big forefinger as well. There we go, and we draw it back. Let's do the same on the other side. They don't have to be exactly the same because it's horns. It's not complete copies of each other. Let's see. There we go. And back there. And there's the two horns. And now we can draw the ears. I'm going to draw two little hooks down. So that's the indication of my ear. And I'm going to draw two big rabbit ears. There we go. Two big bunny ears. And on this side, let's do the same thing. I'm going to start at the outside because I try to copy the ear exactly like the other one, or roughly the same size. And then we're going to draw the inside of the ear, and on this side let's do the same thing, the inside of the ear. Good. And I'll just continue from this side as well. And then there's a few lines here that we're going to draw. There we go. And let's do it on this side as well. 1, 2, 3 lines, and then 1, 2, 3 lines. Now we can go down to the body. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a nice little belly, sort of a egg shape. There we go. And then on the side, we're going to draw the legs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw 2 little lines out, and I'm going to draw the feet first before I do the outside of the leg. There we go. There's one foot. Let's do the same on this side. There we go. Nails. And we can color the nails in. And now we can draw the outside of the body. So I'm going to start with the torso, the leg, take the leg out, almost like an hourglass shape. And then let's do the same on this side. An hourglass shape going down. Good. And then from the head, I'm going to draw the arm, elbow, there we go, and the little hand. And on this side, let's do the same thing. And the little hand. And now there's a few stripes here. So let's draw a little stripe here, which is going to be yellow. There's the hand. There's the hand. And then from here, you're going to draw 2 little lines going back to the head. And then from here as well. And then 2 lines there. Do the same on the other side. And then on the leg, a round curve like that. There we go. And there's Jackie. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure Jackie will look absolutely great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.